Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on? YouTube, you guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels. We're going to be touching on an exciting topic today and kind of a big change that's going to be happening to YouTube that I think will have big repercussions or will really affect the way that content creators make YouTube videos, especially so content creators who do like review videos and affiliate marketers. And also, I think this is going to have a pretty big effect on e-commerce as a whole. So, it's no secret that YouTube is huge for e-commerce. It's huge for product reviews. It's huge for influencers. But the way it's set up right now, if I'm a content creator, if I make review videos, I can just make videos just because I feel about making them with no connection to anybody else. I can make videos in partnership with a company. So, let's say I'm into plants right now, and there's a company who sells plant propagators, right? So after I take a cutting from my plant, I put it into this propagator. And that seller may tell me, hey, Rules for Rebels, man, I will send you one of my plant propagators for free. I'll also give you $200 for making a video review of it or promoting it. And then also I have an affiliate program, and I'll give you 10% of all the sales that you drive from this video. So in that sense, YouTube is being used to promote a product, but ultimately at the end of the day, I'm going to put a link in the description box below, and the person's going to have to leave YouTube, go to this person's third-party e-commerce site, and check out on that page. Now, another way that people can kind of use YouTube for advertising, I can do like a pre-roll video, I can run other ads on YouTube, and I can kind of target where my ads show up to a certain niche. So if I want to appeal to plant people, I can run YouTube ads that that wind up going on videos that are either retargeted to people who like plants or on videos about plants. But again, even if I have an advertisement through AdWords running on YouTube, somebody is still having to leave YouTube to visit another website to make the purchase. The big change that's going to be happening is essentially YouTube is turning into a giant shopping site, and you'll be able to buy products right off of YouTube. Now, if you're watching my YouTube video, YouTube did have an integration with Teespring a while back that allowed YouTube content creators, influencers, whatever you want to call them, to sell merch through Teespring. And those pieces of merch actually show up natively on the YouTube platform below my video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, whether it's mobile or on the PC, you should be able to look right below the video, and you'll probably see, I think I have some Bitcoin merch that you can buy, some stickers and socks and things like that. Which, if you didn't see my video, well, we're on the topic of crypto. If you didn't see my video yesterday, PayPal, by the end of the year, is going to allow people to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency in their PayPal account. And by first quarter of 2021 or early 2021, which is just a few months away, you'll also be able to purchase items with crypto. That crypto will be turned into US dollars for the merchant. But I just made that video yesterday, so check out that video if you didn't see it. Pretty big news for PayPal. But getting back to this this YouTube story, YouTube has done the integration with Teespring. I believe this article mentions another integration that allows influencers to sell merch. We'll get into reading the article, and you guys can hear about the other company. I wasn't really aware of the other one. But this is a huge change because people will be able to buy stuff directly through YouTube without ever leaving the platform. It'll likely be like a one-click thing. You're watching a video about a plant propagator. Right below the video, they'll probably be, do you want to buy this item? Click buy, and it'll probably take the money right out of your Google Wallet or Google Shopping account. So I think this could have huge changes for content creators, for e-commerce, for a lot of things. Right now, I think this article touches on a stat. I believe it's 55 or 60% of consumers check YouTube before buying a product. I know if I'm going to buy a new gun or a new laptop or a lot of other new items, I go on YouTube. Before I bought my paddleboard, I watched a million reviews on YouTube because you want to hear people who've actually used that product's experiences, but also you want to see video, you want to see the product from different angles. You want to see things that you can't just get from seeing a couple stock photos. What changes could this have? And there's not a whole lot of details out there about this program and this plan quite yet. But just for example, like the way that YouTube ads are set up right now, where if you're a content creator, you get paid a CPM, you get paid $20 for every 1,000 people that see an ad on one of your videos. Well, what is this going to look like? Is this going to entirely replace YouTube ads? Is this going to be more like an affiliate relationship where, and we'll get into the details again, but as a creator, apparently I'll be able to choose which products or which ads get shown on my video. So as a creator, like, am I going to have a choice to be paid by CPM or to be paid more of an affiliate commission that I split with Google? A lot of this stuff remains to be seen, but let's get right into the article, and I think this will answer some of these questions. As far as when this is going to happen, this is still kind of in beta testing. This is early, and YouTube hasn't put out a lot of information about this. But some larger sites, larger influencers, I'm guessing like some of the tech content creators and things like that, tech product reviewers, already started tagging products for this program or as part of this test. So this article comes to us from Search Engine Journal. I'll link to it down below. Google reportedly turning YouTube into a shopping site. Google is reported to have big plans to turn YouTube into a shopping destination. A report from Bloomberg indicates that Google is in the early stages of transforming YouTube into a shopping site. This would enable consumers to directly purchase items they see in product review videos, unboxing videos, tutorials, and so on. YouTube is already a shopping destination of sorts, as 55% of consumers use videos to make purchase decisions. However, when consumers decide to purchase a product after watching a video, they have to go to another site to place the order. Google wants to make it so users can directly buy the products they see in videos without leaving YouTube. Bloomberg reports Google is already making moves to turn this plan into a reality by gathering information about products featured in videos. Now, I know you guys are running your e-commerce stores on all different platforms. Some of you guys are on SquareUp, some are on Squarespace, some are on Wix, WooCommerce, Shopify. I know not everybody loves Shopify, but one thing I am starting to see is Google, and really Shopify's got integrations with everybody, but Google seems to be kind of favoring Shopify/PayPal in a lot of the integrations that they're doing right now. Right now with Google Shopping or Google Ads, people are able to buy products directly from Google without having to actually visit a website. And those integrations, I'm not sure if that's beta testing or if it's rolled out widely. I have that running on one side of mine. But in order to sell directly through Google Shopping, you need to either have a PayPal account or you need to be running on the Shopify platform. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this somehow tie into Shopify or be easier for Shopify stores to do this than other stores. So just something I wanted to throw out there. The article goes on to say to collect this information, YouTubers are being asked to tag and track products shown in their clips. So I'm guessing if you're one of these people in the beta program, if you're doing an unboxing or a review of some product, Google's asking you to tag like what that product is. I'm guessing like manufacturer, model number, etc. The end goal is to turn YouTube's video library into a product catalog where users can click on items they see and buy them directly. A YouTube spokesperson confirms to Bloomberg that the product tagging features are being tested with a limited number of channels. According to the spokesperson, creators will have control over which products are tagged in their videos. So it sounds like YouTubers will have some control over, I'm assuming, whether they get paid off a CPM basis as they do now, or if they're in kind of a more like CPA, cost per action, more affiliate type relationship, and I assume they'll split that commission with Google. It's noted that the YouTube spokesperson referred to this project as an experiment, so nothing for sure is going to happen as of yet, but it's kind of surprising that YouTube hasn't gone this direction already. Google is also in the process of testing an integration with Shopify to sell products. Okay, so I didn't realize they said that, but Google is also in the process of testing an integration with Shopify to sell products through YouTube. I have my beefs with Shopify. I feel like Shopify is kind of more of a sales platform for app developers than it actually is even an e-commerce platform. It lacks a lot of very basic features that a dedicated e-commerce platform should have, in my opinion. A lot of apps are glitchy. Pretty much everything costs money. I have my frustrations with Shopify as well, but Shopify does seem to be kind of the way of the future for e-commerce and where most of the integrations are going. So if you are either thinking about switching over to Shopify, or if you're launching a new store and are debating, should I go Shopify WooCommerce, should I go Shopify BigCommerce, keep that in mind. I actually think BigCommerce is actually a superior platform and offers more out of the box than Shopify. Excuse me, drinking my coffee there. But Shopify, it does seem to be going with a lot of these integrations. It's not clear how Google will make money from this endeavor. Presumably, Google will be making a percentage off each transaction. The amount of consumer data Google is likely to gather is also valuable for advertising purposes. There's no mention in this report of whether there's a financial incentive for creators to tag the products in their videos. On one hand, this can open up another revenue stream for YouTubers if they make a commission when viewers buy tagged products. On the other hand, it could compromise the authenticity of creators' content if they're suddenly making money from products they feature. I personally don't see this as being a conflict of interest or a problem. Right now, there's a shitload of influencers on Instagram and YouTube making glowing reviews about products that they don't use, products that they don't like, products that are of poor quality, because they're just being paid straight up. Hey, we'll pay you $500, we'll pay you $1,000 to make a video about our product or to make an unboxing. Some YouTubers are a little bit more ethical than others and only review products that they really like or use. Some YouTubers are a bit more ethical and give honest opinions, regardless of the fact that they're being paid. But let's not pretend that all the product reviews are honest and straight up right now. So I don't see this being a huge problem. People are already incentivized with money to make positive reviews of products if they want to. Hopefully YouTube finds a solution that benefits creators while also not swaying the direction of their content. YouTube plus shopping, an ideal match. This is not the first time Google has tried to integrate shopping features into YouTube. Automatic, Google, Facebook, last year YouTube partnered with MerchBar to sell official YouTuber merchandise underneath videos. And like I said, I was kind of confused about that because I have an integration with Teespring. I'm not sure if that's been switched over for newer creators and they're kind of phasing out the Teespring thing. Or I'm not sure, maybe that's for larger creators who are much bigger than myself. I'm not really sure what the MerchBar thing is. If any of you guys know, drop a comment down below and let us know. This offered a way for YouTube creators to promote their merchandise, but transactions still had to be completed on MerchBar's website, and it's kind of similar to my integration with Teespring below this video. Also, last year, Google rolled out shopping actions in YouTube. This feature assists viewers with buying products shown in videos, but it's still necessary to visit another website to complete the transaction. To date, Google has not offered a way for consumers to buy products directly on YouTube, although there are many signs indicating that that's the direction the company is headed. In an earnings call earlier this year, Google's CEO Sundar Pichai specifically commented on the potential of shopping on YouTube. When you think about things like unboxing and product reviews, those are a natural home for transactions as well. We'll see how natural a fit this ends up being. Perhaps this feature could make an appearance in time for holiday shopping. So this might not be that far away. I honestly, even though this is a beta test right now, I really don't see this not going through. Over half of consumers are looking on YouTube to kind of guide their purchase decisions. And, Google's not stupid. Google's not going to pass up the potential revenue there from transactions on shopping, as well as kind of all the data that they're going to get that will further kind of grow and improve the Google AdWords and Google Shopping platforms as well. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you guys think this is bad for YouTube in the sense that it's just going to turn into a QVC as opposed to a place for content? Do you think this is good in terms of convenience or good for creators to potentially be able to make more money? Let me know your thoughts. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.